everyone, welcome to my class. I hope you all are fine. In the previous video, we learned about prepositions. We did the definition of preposition and we learned about preposition of place. And in this video, we'll be doing preposition of movement. Let's start. Preposition of movement. It shows movement from one place to another. It also shows the direction of an object. Let's see some examples. The first one, when object moves or crosses another object from one side to another. From the upper side, this is called over. We'll understand this preposition with the help of one box and this marker. Now see the box. This is our box. Now this marker is moving from one side to another side. So this movement is called over. Next. Now this marker is moving from this side, from the bottom side then to that side. This movement is called under. Under can be used in place of below also in preposition of place. Now the third one. Now we'll open this box. Now this cap is moving from outside to inside. When you go outside to inside, this movement is called into. And cap is lying in the box and it comes out of the box. From inside to outside movement is called out of. So they are opposite to each other. What is the opposite of into? Out of. Now the next one. Here is one cap and it is just jumping on the box and it is now coming at the rest position. So this movement is called, you can see this one first, onto. See the movement, see the direction from the bottom side to the upper side of the box. This movement is called onto. Now opposite of onto. Now there is lying something and it is jumping just down the box. This movement is called off. O-double-F, off. Now the next one. You can see this marker. This is just going away from the box. It is just going in the opposite direction. So this movement is called far away or away from. Now this marker is coming closer to the box, so it is coming towards the box. You can see the arrow, something is coming nearer to the box. This movement is called towards. Now the next one. We'll understand this with the help of one pipe. So this is our pipe. You can see the marker is moving just round the pipe in this direction. This movement is called around. Around. So when something moves in this direction, this is called around. Now see the next one. Now suppose these are your stairs and you are moving from the bottom part to the top part. So this movement is called upward or up. The movement from downward to the upward side, this movement is called up. So what is the opposite of up? Down. So opposite is something is moving from the upper side to the lower side. This is called down. And the last one. You can see there is one cylindrical pipe. So one ball is moving from this side and it is passing through the pipe, then it is coming out of the pipe. So this is example of pipe. Now this marker is just going from this side and it is coming from the another side. So this movement is called through. The train is moving through the tunnel. Okay, so this is the example of through. I hope you understood this topic. We'll learn rest of the types in the next video. Till then, take care.